Did you know that if hunger pangs became loud enough to hear across entire cities, society would collapse in 3 days? Your empty stomach would roar like a jet engine. Skipping breakfast sounds like tornado sirens. Missing lunch evacuates whole neighborhoods. Restaurants become war zones as people's stomachs broadcast their desperation. Dating dies because your hunger announces exactly how much you ate yesterday. Eating disorders turn into citywide emergencies. Dieters sound like air raid warnings at 2 in the morning. The government declares martial law during lunch hour because everyone's stomach is screaming at once.